Hello once again YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and today I'm going to be showing you another tutorial on how to make working traffic lights using the cars and drives mode. Because right now, we got an unsafe intersection right here, because it's just frickin' stop signs. So, first thing you want to do is clear out an area to start your delay. And for delaying, we're going to get redstone repeaters. This may take a bit. Alright, now you may be wondering why I left some spaces. And some spaces, yes, that is just for placing in redstone, because redstone repeaters cannot go around corners. But these other spots are for command blocks. Now if you remember the last tutorial, I did use command blocks to activate railroad crossings. And now we're going to be using the same method of using command blocks to place underneath. So now we're going to get rid of these stop signs because no one needs them. We're going to make this thing much better. We're going to go to the cars and drives mod and get ourselves a traffic light. We're also going to get some redstone torches. Redstone torch. And now we're going to start placing them in. And as always, to give yourself a command block, you type give @p 137, and if that doesn't work, you can type give @p command _block. Now we're going to dig out just a small section right underneath. Now after that you've digged out your small enough area, you're going to want it to look just like this. See, they have to be different because one side's going to have lights green and one side's going to have lights red, and that's going to circle around. Now to place in your redstone. So just follow what I do and it'll be alright. Now place in redstone torches, like so. So now when we go around, we got some lights that are green, and some lights are red, and that makes sense. You don't want all sections to be green or all sections to be red. And now, let's place in our command blocks in our delay loop. So we're going to place one here, and we're going to place one here. So as before, we're going to press F3 on our keyboard. It's going to tell us what X, Y, and Z coordinates we're at. In this case, we're going to type set block 201, 63, and 249. And we're going to type redstone block, because that is a block that will emit redstone, and it will affect the traffic lights differently. So now these are red, and these are green. So let's go fill that into our command blocks. So let's make this one a redstone block, which is going to change one end, and this is going to change it again, but instead of a redstone block, we're going to type in air. Now to make this actually functional, all you gotta do is send a small pulse into it, like this. So now it will circle around, and you'll notice the traffic lights will change. Now it's red, and now it's green. Now I'm just gonna go fill this back in. Now, you got working traffic lights. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, YouTube. If you want to see more, then subscribe. I'll be back with more videos later. See you soon.